Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add more shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. Click the shape tool. Right click. Use custom shape and see this shape. I already added this shape. Okay. Try to new. Then click. Use settings and see this many shapes. Animal arrows. Click and append for this width. Show this shape width and okay. Then only arrow shapes. Click append and all shape added. Click all append. Now see this edit all shape and click any shape. Fill color or do not use fill color as you wish. Increase the color sense. Click and drag on stroke color and do not use fill. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.